Alright, welcome back to the Dustin Lansdale YouTube channel. We are going to be putting this 196cc Chinese eBay diesel engine into this 4-wheeler right here. We got to mock it up, we got to pull the old engine out, and we're going to be doing a full engine conversion. And we're going to see how much power one of these motors has got and see if they're any count. I got the engine pulled out. This piece of junk right here, it was locked up. Too many wheelies, I think. Oil pumps in the front of these, and you ride too many wheelies too long, she'll lock up pretty quick. But yeah, I got that done. So we can get it out of the way, and we'll start mocking up for the new engine plate. I'm gonna have to strip the mini bike I got, y'all ain't seen, to get this plate that goes here, or I have to build one with plasma cutter, and we'll see if the diesel fits. For right now, I'm gonna move this motor and just see if I can set it in there. We'll see if it just slips right in. Maybe. Well, I'm seeing some problems right away. I'm gonna have to remake the frame because I don't want to take nothing off this engine. I want to use this engine how it came with the stock gas tank and stuff. So we might have to cut the frame here and redo it a different way. Alright everybody, I got the sprocket mocked up on there. I took the hub out of that. Yeah. And we're doing a mock up on the killer 3-wheeler. And I'm working with chains. Trying to piece together a chain long enough to reach up here. We had to scoot the whole sprocket this way. And we're gonna try to figure it out.
And I got
you got off track there. You said you was gonna ride it all the way to town? You gonna do some wheelies on it?
Yeah. And I'm doing at Walmart. Then me a dinosaur and I'm doing.
Alright.
And then going to come back here.
Alright guys, I got the engine plate slotted, welded in. I've been bolting the motor down as we go.
Hell, that might work.
And I hope the chain will stay on. You can see I took that the hub out of that mini bike and welded it to the axle because this sprocket was too small, wrong size. We put a bigger one so we have more torque, but it should have plenty of torque because it's just a 110. This is a 196cc diesel. So yeah, she's starting to look real good.
There's some over in that toolbox.
And I'll crank her up in a minute.
Oh, is there black over?
We're gonna do a cold start on the diesel. I got her all bolted down, got everything mocked up. I still got to finish the throttle mechanism cable and finish the chain and weld my bars back in here. But let's see how good she does with a cold start. I got the chain put together, put on there, and got her lined up best I got. This is like a 50 chain. That's a 40 and a 30. We put together a 30 and a 40. And got it on there. Seems to work. One's just a hair wider than the other. And we're going to hook up the throttle mechanism and we're going to do a test run. So we'll crank it up and give it a little drive, and then you can stop. Alright, we went and took her on a test drive. Y'all have to watch that in part 2. But we used the Articat throttle cable. We just run it down here and did a loop. And we used a bunch of zip ties and electrical connector and put all that in there. And I'm gonna redo this whole throttle situation because it ain't worth a crap. We lost the knob somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna just take the spring, probably mount the cable over here somewhere where it pulls straight on that. Probably just take the governor out altogether because this is to test the motor, see how good it is. But everybody, it will be continued. Go check out for part 2. It should be out day after tomorrow, but this one's gonna be going on tonight. So everybody like, subscribe for part 2. Peace out.